the end of this unit, let's now try to summarize what we have seen during the unit and write a topic about astronomy is the study of the space and the universe that we have seen at the beginning of the unit in defining the concept of the unit. Now, don't we need first to study our Earth before we get to the space? It's a question. It means in this question we have got to understand something. Now, first we must underline the keywords of this. First, the most important word is astronomy. Okay? And the second one is study. Then space. And don't as an interrogative form. What? Study, the same verb, but Earth. So these are the most important words that we need to underline in our topic to understand what is really needed from us. So first, astronomy, and they give you a beginning of definition that it is the study of the space and the universe. No, something that is very far from us. No, this is not starting by the inquiry. Don't we need what? First, this is to make a double line. First what? Study our Earth here. Let's study first this land, this Earth, then after go to the space. And then after get to the space. Now, reading this topic, what discourse can we start? Now remember we have got a descriptive, narrative, expository, argumentative, and prescriptive. Now, here, are we going to use a descriptive topic? It means are we going to describe something? Are we going to narrate something? This is speaking about something in the past. Are we are we asked to give an opinion? Are we going to expose a fact and give the consequences? So it's according to these words that we understand what we are really going to do. Now, when we try to find these words as part of the topic, now we go to make an outline and understand what are we supposed to do. Now, in our outline, we have got an introduction, a development, and the conclusion. These are important parts of any, I told you, of any paragraph. You must go through these three parts to make a coherent paragraph. Now, first is astronomy studies. Is it something useful or not? Now, let's start at the beginning of the paragraph by defining what is astronomy and what is the scope. What do we study in astronomy? And then after introduce the question of this topic, why we study astronomy. Now, when we do this in the introduction, so we start by astronomy studies. What do they do in our? What does it consist of? And after ask a question. This question is, why do we need? Do we need to study first astronomy or study Earth? This is the question that we have got to ask right from the beginning. Now, after in our development, now let's see. The main topic here is astronomy, by contrast to Earth. Now, study of the space, contrasting the study of Earth. Now, let's see now what are the benefits by giving the benefits of studying the space, studying astronomy. Why do scientists, why do astronomers spend a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of effort to study astronomy? So we're trying to give the steps of these benefits of this study and after see if it is good to study first astronomy or study first Earth. And finally, we're going to state the topic, means to give an answer to this question. Is it first studying astronomy or first studying Earth? So, and at the end, we try to say if astronomy is something important or not in our life. So this is in all the outline that we have got to write right from the beginning. Now, going to the draft now. The draft, when you've got the topic, now you try to understand the topic, underline the keywords, and try to draw an outline. Then after you take a raw paper and write everything that comes in your mind about the topic. It means anything that you have studied or have in your mind about the topic, whether it be in English or in French or in Spanish or in geography or in let's say philosophy. So everything that you have got online about the topic, write it on a draft. Then after you need to select. So this is going to go here. This is it can be in the introduction. This one can be in the development. This one can be in the conclusion. And those other ideas that you see no need, no relation, you drop them from your draft. Now, in our draft here, I try to summarize the why of this astronomy. Why we are studying astronomy. It means I'm trying to give, from my vision, the benefits of studying astronomy. Now first you must know really and exactly what is astronomy. Then after to know what are the positive points that you can list after this. Now first we study astronomy because, first to know what's in outer space, in our universe. We must know what is beyond the space. What is there? What is the universe made of? Because we read a lot in the Quran about the universe, about the planets, about the system. But so we need to know what is there exactly. Second, to identify the different heavenly bodies. We must know what is the difference between a planet, a moon, a galaxy, the universe, the space, the comets, the asteroids, how many planets are in the system, what is the relation existing between these heavenly bodies. Remember that we said that the heavenly bodies are those parts of the space, the planets, the moons, the stars. Then, to understand what is happening in the outer universe, for example, to understand why do we have a year here on Earth, why do you have night and day, why is there, for example, winter? Why is there summer? Why is it sometimes it's cold? Why sometimes it's hot? When there are earthquakes? So what is the relation between what's happening on Earth and what's happening in the outer space? So we need to understand this. And next, to interpret some natural phenomena that are happening. For example, in the past, people, when they saw a solar eclipse, they thought it was a revenge from the God to the people, or it was a curse, or it was something bad to them. When they were seeing, for example, anything which is happening in the sky, the stars, the planets, so they didn't really understand what is the relation between them and these things which are in the space. And finally, to protect ourselves from some phenomena. For example, before a comet is coming to collide with Earth, or an asteroid to collide with Earth, before it happens, we have got to protect ourselves by using satellites, by using protection, by using anything that can happen from the outer space. So these are the notes that we need to have for our draft. Now, because I really understand what is happening, because I really understand what do I have to write in my draft, but for you, you have got to write everything that comes in your mind and after select. So this is the draft, this is the outline, and let's go to the paragraph.